So, Your Honor, our Honorable Judge, this is the swearing-in ceremony of the Governor of Mandera County, pursuant to Gazette Notice number 9889, dated 16th of August, 2022, in fulfillment of the requirements of Article 74 of the Constitution, and read with Section 12 of the Assumption of Office of Governor Act, 2019. My Lord, you are now called upon to administer the oath of office to the Governor. So we'll proceed with the narration. I will guide the Honorable Governor-elect. So we'll start with your... Okay. So we'll start. I,
Mohamed Adan Khalif,
swear that I shall truly and diligently serve the people.
I shall truly and diligently serve the people
And the Republic of Kenya.
and the Republic of Kenya
In the office of the Governor of Mandera County.
in the office of the Governor of Mandera County,
That I shall diligently discharge. My duties and perform my functions in the said office. And that I will do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya, without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
So help me God.
Thank you very much. Congratulations. Congratulations. So I will invite you to have a seat with the judge so that you can sign the oath. And together with, he will also be signing the certificate of inauguration as the Governor of Mandera County.